Hi, I'm Rochelle Romans, and today I want to show you this half-up, undone donut bun hairstyle. So today I'm going to be featuring and securing this hairstyle with the acrylic upins. These acrylic upins are super gentle on your hair. They don't pull out your hair like a traditional elastic or sometimes bobby pins will do. So these are very good health hair care tip. And they're beautiful and classic and offer a variety of colors. Today, I'm going to be using this gorgeous peachy pink corally color and this hairstyle. So let's get started. I'll put a link in the description below of where you can find these gorgeous, affordable upins. So let's begin. And we'll begin by taking our hair. You can pull some hair to the front of your face if you'd like to frame your face. And then we'll just begin by taking the section of hair just at our temple and go ahead and section in that section of hair out. And that's what we'll be working with. So we'll section that section of hair out and we'll begin just by twisting the hair into a classic bun, but we won't finish this way. So go ahead, take the hair, twist it nice and tightly clockwise, and go ahead and form it into that circle. And then that's where we're gonna stop. We're actually gonna leave the ends of our hair down, and we're gonna take that acrylic U-pin. We are going to insert it here. You can see that the U-pin is curved, and that's for comfort. When we insert it into our hair, it's curved just like our scalp. We'll start with the curve going away from our hair. We'll grab that bun part that we just coiled, making sure the ends of the acrylic U-pin go over top of the ends of our hair. That's key there. When they come out about an inch, go ahead and make sure the tips of the U-pin are touching your scalp. So touching the scalp over top the ends of the hair, and then we'll gently but firmly keep touching our scalp as we flip that U-pin. And now we want to go ahead and push it into the bun of our hair. I like to bring it out so the ends come over the other side of the bun, and there you have the half up, undone donut bun. So go ahead and comment below if you like that style. This is where you can go ahead, if you like volume on your hair, and you can go ahead and pull that front out as much or as little as you would like. And then again, go ahead and frame your face if that's what you would like to do. But there you have how to use the acrylic U-pins, sometimes also known as hair forks or hair prongs, those sorts of things, but we like to call them acrylic U-pins, and you'll find them on my website below. Have a blessed day. I'm Rochelle Romans.